The front apron of the Typhoon stands out for its aggressive visual appearance and also has aerodynamic advantages. The same applies to the projecting rear apron through which the gigantic 114mm end pipes of the centrally installed exhaust system protrude. Another significant characteristic of this bodywork construction kit is the Venturi engine hood made of carbon. This does not only look quite impressive, but also fulfills, with its numerous air inlets and outlets, the significant technical function. Together with the air inlets in the front spoiler, the dynamic venting technology ensures a systematic de-aeration of the engine space in such a way that the thermal pressure on the machine is always within a positive range. The fact that these actions became necessary is attributable to the extensive works performed on the engine. G-Power concentrated particularly on the exhaust guide and air inlets as well as on the engine software. The exhaust system that is completely made of stainless steel enables a clear reduction of the exhaust gas back pressure. Together with the new electronic coordination, the performance rose to a considerable 725 horsepower. Even more brutal is the torque of 890 Nm at just 1/500 minimum. And that is only the mitigated and electronically limited version, which allows the standard gear even much more breathing space. 1000 Nm would also have been possible if the gear was boosted accordingly. In the same way, driving performances are also absolutely impressive given the sheer bulk of the SUV. The 100 kph limit is long forgotten after only 4.2 seconds, and driving resistance and engine performance begin to counterbalance each other only way beyond the 300 kph limit. Talking of coming to a halt as quickly as possible, the ceramic sport braking system of G-Power effectively takes the wind off the sail of the powerful BMW. If necessary, the 6-piston brake calipers on the front axle will bite firmly into the almost 40 cm wide ceramic discs in such a way that the impact can be compared to a head-on collision. To ensure sufficient action not only in the longitudinal direction but also in the lateral vehicle dynamics, the experts of G-Power also installed the company's own coilover kit, which was adjusted to a draft of 30 mm. After all, we are still talking about a sports utility vehicle that is exceedingly sportive. Beneath the thick surface, which by the way, is delivered with perfectly fitting inner fenders, spaces were now available for very broad wheels. The 3-part Silverstone Stars forged wheel of G-Power is of the dimension 11/23 inches on the front axle, while even the 12 inches wide rims were mounted on the rear. The size of the tires is the same on both axles and measures 315/25 ZR23. The Michelin high-performance tires guarantee